Alright guys, here it's on park and you see the RPMs, they look fine right now. The car's shaking a little bit, a little jump. See the RPMs jumping? Okay, now I'm gonna go outside so you guys can hear it. Here's the exhaust. You can probably hear the exhaust. Hopefully you guys can hear the noise of the little jump. Hopefully you guys can help me out with the problem. There's no leaks. There isn't anything wrong with it. I'm gonna go ahead and take you for a drive so you can hear, so you can see what I'm talking about. As you can see, it's giving me PO21. It's the only code. Okay, I'm gonna take you guys for a drive so you guys can see. See when it drives. After you pass 1.5, it's just giving me code 0P0021. So you ride smooth when you're not in the idling. Perfectly fine. Perfectly fine. So maybe you guys can help me out with this problem. See, now it's jumping a little bit. See, but it's jumping, but it's idling. And I already changed the cam position sensor. So let me guys know. Let me know.